She wasn't born into royalty. She didn't come with riches, armies, or power. Just an orphan, raised in exile. A foreign girl living under the rule of the world's most powerful empire. Yet she was chosen, not by chance, not by beauty alone. She was positioned by divine purpose, hidden behind palace walls for such a time as this. But while kings drank from golden cups and nobles plotted in secret, a quiet battle was brewing, one that wouldn't be fought with swords or chariots, but with fasting, faith, and the bravery to speak when silence could mean death. Her name was Esther, and this isn't just the story of a queen. It's the story of how God saved a people through the most unlikely of heroes.
My name is Jessica, and I'm going to tell you the story of Esther. The theme of my story is about Esther, a rising star. A rising star means a person who quickly becomes popular and successful. The story of Esther is found in the Old Testament. Esther was a Jewish. She never told anyone about her background. Mordecai advised her never to tell anyone where she was coming from. Esther had God favor. Everybody loved her. The people took her to King Success. When the king saw her, his heart was melted with joy like butter exposed to sunlight. The king smiled and smiled. Then he gave Esther a big flower. The king chose Esther to be the queen. The king honored a man called Haman. He gave him powers. Everybody knelt and bowed before Haman. There was a man called Mordecai. He refused to kneel down before Haman, so Haman got annoyed. Since Mordecai was a Jew, he planned to kill all the Jews. When Mordecai learned his plan, he teared his clothes and went around the town, crying and shouting loudly. Mordecai asked Esther to help him. When Queen Esther heard the news, she told Mordecai to gather all the Jews to fast and pray for her before she went to talk to the king. Later, she went and told the king, "Please, do not destroy my people." The king was sad about the news. The king roared like a lion. Roar! Haman pleaded, Please. But it was too late. Then she ordered his men to kill Haman. The evil Haman. Kwisha maneno. A narration by Jessica. Bye.